Chikamoto Road. The 2023 Japan Series MVP attended high school at the foot of Mount Mikusa. Chikamoto ran up this very trail for his baseball training, as Kato City is trying to cash in on the recent success of the Hanshin Tigers. We head up the slopes in the search of the ghost of baseball past. Through a tangle of ferns and wooden steps our route climbs. We gaze down to the turquoise hues of Showa Pond, thinking of foul balls and broken dreams. The well-marked trail follows the ups and downs of the rugged landscape. Chikamoto certainly got a workout scrambling up these rocky slopes as a teenager. We reach the summit and pay homage to the hometown hero before resting for a snack. Like a lost Jim Morrison lyric, we are riders on the ridge. At Tengu-Iwa, we take in the views. Before dropping back into the forest. We reach the shores of Showa Pond and are spellbound by its beauty. Did Chikamoto also become enamored with this spectacle? We ponder these very thoughts in the mountains of Japan.